Guys, what a wonderful possession day tonight here in Suri. This parking here is available for this unit. You can park as much as you want. But much more than that. I wanna show you guys inside kasi napakalaki ng property ng unit sa loob. So here it is in Suri, nearby Suri Central Station. You've got a one parking here and plenty of parking space. You've got three other parking, actually four parking space on the corner unit. Okay, beautiful flowers in here. Okay, corner unit. First of all, I want to show you guys inside for now. Okay, ito ang corner unit mo. This is all your privacy all around. You've got a private storage over here and another storage over there. Okay, tapos pasok tayo sa loob. Okay, oh my gosh, 1,400 square feet of living space, ground floor, spectacular view, corner unit ground, 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, here in Guilford, updated, new appliances as well. Can you believe it, guys? Diba? Here in downtown Suri. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much.